Look for a simple low-carb recipe. In today's tech world, there shouldn't be a problem to find a simple low-carb recipe. The internet opened up the world to reach a lot free information like the one you need. There is literally thousands of sites on diet and weight loss. Here you can get a lot of free information to help you reach your fitness goals. Here is a small group of simple low-carb recipes you can do it today. For tips on low-carb, visit our website below. We will send you professional advice every day until you reach your ideal weight. Chinese chicken. Carbohydrates per serving, 7 grams. Voltage, simple. Ingredients: 1/2 small red pepper, chopped. 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Red pepper flakes, to taste. 1 sachet of artificial sweetener, 2 chicken breasts without bone and skin. Chopped latitude. Mung bean sprouts. How to prepare: mash red pepper and vinegar in a blender. Put in a saucepan. Add red pepper. Bring to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer for 3 minutes. Take it out of the stove and let it cool down. When it's cold, add sweetener. Chopped chicken, stripping breasts and nailing until golden brown. Cover with the sauce. Serve on a bed of grated lettuce and bean sprouts. French fries. Carbohydrates per serving, total 8 recipes. Voltage, simple. Ingredients: 6 ounces. Daikon radish. 1 grated egg. How to prepare: cut the radish as if it were French fries. Whisk the egg in a bowl and cover the French fries. Put the potato chips in a bag of pork puree and shake it. Put potatoes in a skillet with 1/4 inch of hot oil, gold cooked and crunchy. This is great. French fries will not run out of you. Only 8 carbohydrates in total. Veal with mushrooms and onion sauce. Servings, approximately 4 according to the amount of meat. Carbs per serving, not sure how best to understand it, about 4. Preparation time, 5 minutes, effort, easy. Ingredients: about 2 pounds of steak or sirloin. I have used 2 boneless pork chops. A box of dry onion soup or 2 small pieces mushroom boxes according to your taste. Salt, pepper or whatever spices you like. How to prepare: we put the meat in a covered baking dish and sprinkled it on onion soup mix and cover mushrooms, juice, and everything. If you do one, you may need to add some water to ensure the soup mixture is completely soaked. Bake at 325 for 1.5 to 2 hours. This is yummy. The meat is so soft that it crumbles.